must have seen the difference between the olden days clock and the present day's digital clock. The difference is that in the olden days clock, 0 does not find a place, while 0 finds a place in the digital clock. The Roman numbers are represented by 7 symbols or straight lines, written in different angles. The absence of this one digit causes a lot of inconvenience, as we can see from the following. For example, no digit is repeated more than 3 times. The number 90 is written as 0 is a very unique number because alone it represents nothing, but in our day-to-day dealings it plays a very vital role. Mathematics plays a major role in modern world of science and technology. During the evolution of counting process of numbers, different symbols were used in different parts of the world to denote the numbers. The concept of 0 and the digital system, including decimals, are India's contributions to the science of numerals. The Arabs adopted the Indian systems and the Europeans got it from the Arabs. So, even today's computers are also worked by the decimal numbers, which converted to the machine numbers consists of only digits 0 and 1, that is binary system. The counting of the natural numbers, which start as 1, 2, 3, 4, the number beginning with 1 and increasing naturally one by one are called natural numbers, and the set of natural numbers denoted by the letter n. The counting of the natural numbers become whole numbers after adding the 0 to the set of natural numbers. If we add 0 to the set of n, we get the number list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. This is called the set of whole numbers denoted by the letter W. In the system of whole numbers, the predecessor of 1 is 0. In English, predecessor means forefather. Therefore, the natural numbers become whole numbers, but only after recognizing and accepting the forefather as 0. God is not 0, but He is a supreme hero. 0 has no value in general view, but 0 has its own unique value. 0 has certain special characters parallel to God's characters. 0 is neither positive nor negative in nature. It is point, which gives a line of separation or reference between the two. So is God above many positives and negatives, like pleasure and pain, birth and death. 0 is not affected by positive or negative signs or operations. So is God never affected by positive or negative actions of human beings. If we accept and realize the world as one family under the fatherhood of one God, then all the problems will be solved naturally by this formula. We are all children of one, the Supreme, and consider the whole world as one family. Almost all religions believe that God is Father of all, who has neither a father nor a mother, like there is no precedent for 0. In the system of whole numbers, the successor of 0 is 1. In English, successor means a child who has rights to one's father's property. As we know that the father who has given birth to physical body grants or wills his assets or property to his children, in the same way Paralokik Father, God, the one who has all divine virtues and all powers, grants or wills his property to his children, to the entire world. God does not receive any inheritance because He never becomes inheritor, son of someone. That is why all religions worship or pray God Father to get the inheritance of peace, happiness, prosperity. If we compare God to 0, similar to the system of the whole numbers, the 0 is the preceder or forefather or the creator of all natural numbers. Then one can easily accept the God as the father of all and the creator of the whole world. We all know that our actions are the creation of our mind. We should therefore take care to see that our creations should be praiseworthy, so that in return not only we are happy, but others are also happy with our creations, that is action. Those actions which bring blessings from others are considered to be the most elevated actions. In 1960, the International System of Units have accepted and adopted the fundamental units for international use. In the same way, all religions in the world have some universal concept or acceptance of God. Universal concept of God is truth, God is perfect, God is liberator, God is ocean of all virtues, God is ocean of all powers, God is the Father of all.